How to recover Telegram deleted messages and photos or videos. In this video, I will show you how you can recover your Telegram, all the messages, photos or videos. So what you will do for that, just open your Telegram app and on top left side click on three horizontal lines, then go to your settings. Then here click on chat settings. Here you can see there's no option to recover any chats, and similarly if you go to media, then there will be no option to recover your photos or videos. So what you will do, how you will recover, you will ask Telegram support for your recovery. So for that, just open any browser and search for Telegram support. When you search this, just open Telegram support and you can see there will be a form in front of you. So this is the form. So what you will do, just write here, hi, I have lost my data and I want to recover. So you have to write this, and I want to recover that, and simply write your email, your phone number, and just simply click on submit. When you click on submit, within 24 to 48 hours they will contact with you on your provided email address, and then they will ask for you some instructions. Then follow that instruction and you will get your lost data back. So this is the tutorial. I hope you liked it.